We're back, day 14. We are locking it in. If you're just joining me, I'm doing a 21-day focus, locking it in on starting or growing your business. If you haven't watched since day one, you can go back. I'll have a playlist at the end of this video, and I hope you are enjoying it if you've been on the ride the whole time. Today, I want to talk about the fear of selling or being scared to sell. Selling can feel kind of icky, kind of, it can be intimidating. So I have 3 tips that help me to get past that. So hopefully it'll work for you. The first thing is changing the way you think about selling. And instead of selling, think of helping. We want to remember that usually we are either solving a problem or trying to help somebody or fulfill a desire that somebody has when we're offering a product or a service. So think about it this way. If you found an amazing restaurant, which we all have, or read a great book, usually we tell our friend, we tell somebody that we know, hey, you need to go to this restaurant and check it out, or you need to read this book. It was amazing. Same thing. You are sharing something because you're helping. Same with our product or service. We're sharing and helping the same way we would if we went to a fabulous restaurant, read a book, or any other thing that we're passing on to somebody else. It's about sharing and providing something that you truly feel passionate about to somebody else. When you do it that way, it makes it less icky and you have more confidence when you do it. Number 2, know your product inside and out. You have to know your product. I can't tell you how many times I might ask a question to somebody about something and they really don't know the answer. Knowledge is confidence, and the more you know, the more trustworthy you are. And it's different with all products. So if you sell a t-shirt, for example, know, is it cotton? Is it a cotton blend? Is it pre-washed? Is it going to shrink? Does it need to be dry cleaned, or can you wash it at home? Those are the things you want to be knowledgeable about so you can share with the customer. If there's features and gadgets on your product, know how to work them. Is it something that needs to stay out of the sun? Can it get wet or not? Any of the things that you know that are important that as a consumer you yourself would want to know it and offer it to the customer. And you can practice answering some